Okay, so we will take up the next exercise, that is exercise number 5, and then go for the simulation of the operations. So let me just start with the creation of the geometry. So at the beginning, I need a square of 100 by 100. So I'll go to create a rectangle. So before that, I'll just again check screen, configure, and this I'll set it to metric. Say OK. Go to main menu, say create rectangle by 2 points. So first point is at origin 0, 0, and second is 100, 100. I'll fit the screen. Then next, within this square, I need another square which is of 90 by 90. Yes. So I will create another rectangle which is of dimensions. The first point is 5, comma, y is again 5, and second point of the rectangle would be 95, comma 95. Yes, so the second square is also been created. Next, we need two more rectangles and two semicircles. So accordingly, first I will go to create again arc, center point, circle point plus radius. Since I have the radius with me, so I'll define the radius. Radius is 18. I'll enter the radius, and then I'll define the coordinate for the center point of the circle. So it is x is 5, comma, height of that is 45 plus 5, which is 50. Yes, so that is the first circle, so semicircle. Second semicircle would be at a distance of 5 plus 90, that is 95 for x value, 95, comma, height would remain the same again, 5 plus 45, that is 50. So two semicircles are ready. Next, we need two more rectangles. So I'll go to create rectangle by using 2 points. So if I see the top rectangle, it is at a distance of the lower point of that rectangle is at a distance of 30. So the x value would be 30 and y value would be 5 plus 70, 75. Okay, that is the first point of the rectangle. Second point is x value is 70, is mentioned in the figure itself directly, 70, comma, y value would be 5 plus 90, that is 95. Yes, so that gives you the rectangle directly. Next, again, two more points. So for the bottom rectangle, I have the coordinate as x value would be 30, y value would be 5. From here, x value would be next for the second point, x value would be 70, comma, and y value would be 5 plus 20, that is 25. So here we get the second rectangle. So we have all the geometries that are needed for building up the part. So now we will start the remaining operations so that we can get the required geometry. So first I'll go to main menu. I'll use the modify and break option into two pieces. So I'll break this line at this point, next this line at this point, and this one at this point, this one at this point. So I'll go on breaking the things so that the required geometry can be developed. So this line at this point, then this line at this point, this circle at this point, and this circle at this point. So even the semicircle I am obtaining here also. Okay, this line at this point, this line at this point. Okay, I'll quickly delete the unnecessary parts. Okay, so this is the line to be broken yet into two pieces. This line at this point, line at this point is already broken. So let me use the delete option, delete this and this. So we are very much near to the geometry. We'll just complete the filleting option, modify, give the fillet of radius. What is the radius? 10 at this point, this point, this point, and this point. So the fillet is done. So last option that we have to use is chamfer. So I'll go to main menu. Okay, after in main menu, I'll go to create. I'll use next menu at the bottom. So I'll go to next menu and use chamfer option. So in the chamfer, I have to define the distances. So if I read out from the figure, both the distances are being given as 5 and 5. So in the distances, I will specify it and enter the first distance. It is 5. Enter. Enter the second distance, even that is 5. Click enter button again. So I'll select these two lines. It will automatically create the chamfer. Even these two lines, and these two lines. Okay, done. So we can proceed with the operations now. Toolpaths. First, I'll do the job setup. This is -5. Stock origin is y is -5. Y value is 100 plus 10, 110. X value is 110. And Z value total is 27. Say OK. So the job is fitted in the required portion of the screen. Next, I'll define the operation. So I'll go to pocket and select area. This area I have to pocket. Say done. I'll import a new tool from the library, 2 mm flat end mill. Say OK. The pocketing parameters depth is -7. Finishing or roughing parameters, you can select any zigzag, spiral, one way. I'll select zigzag this time. Say OK. Okay, not all boundaries are closed. Okay, so let us check which boundary is not closed. So there is some error. Try to trace out that error. So I'll use the join option. So there is some error with the geometry. Some part is not closed, it is saying. So let us check where there is an error. Modify, I'll go to extend. I'll extend the length for both the lines. So I'll extend by 3. Let us do that chamfer again. So if there is any error, it can be sorted out. So in order to eliminate this error, we can always try out this option by extending all the entities, and wherever they are intersecting later on, we can use the trim option so that if there is any breakage in the points, that can be eliminated. Otherwise, it is very difficult to find out where exactly is the error. So I'm extending all the lines so that they intersect each other, and later on I will use the trim option so that the required joining of the two entities can be attained. Okay, so here I'm going to trim now. So I've extended the lengths of all the entities. Go to main menu, modify, trim two entities. I want this part and this portion and this portion. Okay, I guess that should solve the problem. So here there is some issue, I guess. So let us check again. Go to again toolpaths, operations, go to pocket, area, select this area, so done. Import the tool. Pocketing parameter depth is -7. Yes. So it has taken the toolpath, means whatever the error was there, which had the broken lines or the lines which are not joined, is eliminated. So you can always try out this in order to extend all the lines and trim the extra parts. Okay. Then we'll go to now operations, select all, regenerate path, verify, and first use your job setup values, say okay, then simulate. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay. Yes, we'll stop here. If you have any queries regarding the simulation, you can always contact me. Thank you.